How to add or upload multiple photos on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How Do Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can add or upload multiple photos on TikTok. Well, after the latest update, it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through quick here. Now first thing what you want to do is you want to open up your TikTok. You'll get an interface like this, right? You want to tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen, and once you do so, you should be headed to this page. Now here what you want to do is you want to tap on the upload option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Once you tap on upload, you want to head into the photos section since you want to upload photos. Once you head into photos, what you want to do is at the bottom of your screen you'll find the select multiple option. As you can see there, you want to simply make sure you select the select multiple option, and then you can just tap and choose the pictures. I'll just choose the pictures real quick here. Now once you choose the pictures, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on next option, and it'll be set up here. As you can see, my 3 pictures has been uploaded. What you want to do is you want to simply tap on next option, and you'll be able to upload it. Once you add in, if you want, you can add in filters. If you want, you can crop them, you can add music to it. So this way you can add multiple photos on TikTok or upload multiple photos on TikTok. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.